Bruh, guys, I'm actually cooked. Do you hear it out there? Do you hear that? I'm outside in a tent, dude. And I can't get out or I'm gonna get dripped on. Like, dripped on aggressively, dude. I'm cooked. I'm out here in the rain. How long do you think I can even get out, stay out here? I feel so dead, bro. I'm not making it out. I ain't going to. No way. There's no chance. How will I make it out here? Listen to that. You hear that? That's rain just beating on me. I'm so cooked. There's no way I'm going to make it out of here alive. I could make it out here dead or not alive. So might as well play some games. All right, guys, tic-tac-toe. Whoever's playing this is honestly stupid. All right, guys, let's go again. Maybe we'll get a smarter player this time. Bruh. 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 I can't believe this. Let's see if he'll be smarter this time. Oh, wait. All right, I had to redo it. I did something wrong. Okay, right there. Bro, what is this guy doing? What is this guy doing? What is this guy? Bro, I got beaten on 4 ways, bro. Circles is dumb, bro. Ooh, raking donuts. 3. Strawberry, old-fashioned. I didn't know what they had, so we're doing it again. Oh, I don't like chocolate. Powdered, 5. Sugar. Glazed, maple. Strawberry, old-fashioned. Sprinkled coconut. Jelly, ugh. That's valid. I hate those 7 through 10. But everything else is amazing. Well, I'm going to try to go outside. Let's have fun. Next video. Bye. No, bye.